Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for coming to this presentation. I'm glad to see you all. In this presentation, we will discuss about blockchain. Let me introduce myself and my team. My name is Yoger Wanda, and my team is Habib Ali Maskur, Makmur Zaki Nur Rahman, and Ade Febrian. First, my friend will explain about what is blockchain. So Habib will explain that.
Okay, first I will introduce what is a blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed database, but the stored devices are not connected with a shared server. In blockchain, lists of records are stored as blocks, and they are linked by using cryptography. Hence, we can say that blockchain is a digital record, and are used for record transactions made with crypto currencies such as Bitcoin. If we add a new block, it can be linked with the previous block with the help of cryptographic block generated from previous block. By doing so, the block is permanently recorded and it is not broken. In blockchain, previous transaction alteration is very difficult because all subsequent blocks also need to be altered. We can say that blockchain is a pure peer-to-peer database that is immutable. Okay, next. Okay, second, I will explain definition of blockchain. Definition of blockchain, it is an open distributed ledger that record transaction between two persons efficiently and in a verifiable and permanent way. Each transaction is secured with a digital signature that proves its authenticity. Every block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp, and transaction information. Simple analogy for understanding blockchain technology is a Google Doc. When we create a document and share it with a group of people, the document is distributed instead of copied or transferred. This creates a decentralized distributed chain that gives everyone access to the document at the same time. No one is locked out by awaiting change from another party, while all modifications to the doc are being recorded in real time, making change completely transparent. That all from me, and next can be explained for Makmur Zaki.
Okay, I'm here to explain what is technology used in blockchain. Blockchain is a combination of multiple technologies. First, cryptographic keys. Cryptographic keys are most important for sending and receiving data. In process, a private key and a public address is used. While sending data, private key is used to sign it and the end user verify it by using the public key. In blockchain, we use asymmetric cryptography like ACC. Second, network protocol. We can choose the network protocol as per our use. To form a peer-to-peer network, two or more electronic devices are linked and resources are shared. A peer is called a node on a network. Peer-to-peer network is a crucial part of secure blockchain processing. Third, distributed ledger technology. A ledger is a collection of shared, replicate, and synchronized data. Every data is geographically spread over various computing devices. Any transaction, approval, and permission in blockchain is handled by distributed networks. Fourth, hashing. Hashing is converting data with variable length to a fixed length. It is an one-way process. It acts as a verification of a transaction. Next slide. What is purpose of blockchain? Purpose of blockchain technology is blockchain technology is an online ledger that uses data structure to simplify the way we transact. It allows users to manipulate the ledger in a secure way without the help of a third party. It allows of free cryptocurrency through the the decentralized environment. It provides great transparency because it is a type of distributed ledger, so our network participants share the same documentation as opposed to individual topics. With blockchain, you don't need as many third parties or middlemen to make guarantee, and so the costs can be reduced. This technology offers new tools for authentication and authorization in the digital world that fulfill the needs of many centralized administrators. As a result, it enables the creation of new digital relationships. Next will be explained by Aida Febrian.
Okay, I will explain about blockchain and cryptocurrency. The term blockchain is often used to refer to cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a medium of exchange such as US dollar. It is just an application in the form of a currency using blockchain. It's not governed by any financial institution. The main difference between blockchain and cryptocurrency is that cryptocurrency is created and held electronically in the form such as virtual wallet. In decentralized, and it's not governed by anyone, whereas blockchain is an advanced record and it's all information related to cryptocurrency exchanged over a shared system. Next slide, please. Okay. Blockchain and insurance. According to Recon survey, more than 15% of insurance companies have adopted or planning to implement blockchain technology. The particle of application in insurance technology is, with the help of blockchain, medical records are encrypted and shared between hospital and insurer. This helps in cutting duplicated records and lengthy claim processing. Blockchains also help in selling and servicing insurance better, faster, and cheaper by improving product function, claim management, health insurance, and car insurance. It also helps to lower the price and the profit better experience for customers. Insurance companies operate in highly competitive environment in which both retail and corporate customers expect the best value for money and a superior online experience. Blockchain technology represents an occasion for positive change and growth in the insurance industry. With Ethereum smart contract and decentralized application, insurance can be conducted over blockchain account, introducing more automation and tamper-proof audit trials. Notably, the low cost of smart contracts and their transaction means that money product can be rendered more competitive for penetration of underinsured market in the developing world. Finally, the emerging blockchain ecosystem will itself require insurance. Cyber insurance can be taken as a template for coverage, with extension and endorsement for financial loss, spice and crime, professional liability, and surety bonds. Insurers can cooperate with companies such as Conscious Diligence to assess risk and advice and best practice for loss control and mitigation. That's for me. The next material will explain it by Yoga Irwanda.
Blockchain examples. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency are the widely used blockchain technology. There are many more examples using blockchain technology. We can say blockchain is revolutionizing in most of the industries. A. Based on blockchain, cross-gaming video games are developed, for example, B2Expand. B. Social engagement such as full use this technique. C. Retail product can be purchased, and if there is any malfunction, blockchain helps to access information regarding the product. D. Blockchain simplifies the payment system and allow mobile wallet, gift card, and other point of scale functionality. E. Food industries. Network from farmer to grazer is very complex, and blockchain make it easier by tracking down foodborne illness challenging. F. Real estate also use blockchain technology by allowing anyone, anywhere in the country to invest in real estate. Advantage and disadvantage of blockchain. Advantage: 1. Greater transparency. 2. Highly secure. 3. Easily traceable. 4. High efficiency and speed. 5. Low cost. 6. 0% of fraud. 7. Extremely volatile. Disadvantage: 1. More power consumption. 2. Can be a regulatory problem for financial institutions. That's all from us. If you have any question, please write them in the comment. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.